Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix a location error on Hulu, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Hulu is a online subscription-based streaming service, such as Netflix or Disney Plus, and on it you can stream your favorite shows, movies, or whatever is available. Now, one thing that is important to note is that Hulu is only available in the US. This is due to licensing issues, and that is why it needs to detect your location to see if you are allowed to use it. Now, you can also use a VPN to circumvent this. However, it still needs access to your location for it to work properly. The way you do this is, of course, by enabling your location on the browser or wherever you are, or on your device. And once it detects your location, everything should be working properly. However, errors are liable to happen. If that happens, what you want to do is the following. First and foremost, people have mentioned that being on Wi-Fi is required. Ethernet, for some reason, doesn't want to work. So try connecting via Wi-Fi if your device is available. If it has that functionality. If it doesn't, then you can go to your settings on your device and turning on location on your device, such as on PC. You can also open Hulu, enter your location info, and then it should work perfectly fine. And those are some of the ways that can help. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.